Yes. So I'm going to show you the most impactful tool, which at least for me, right? When I'm like investing, or when I'm like analyzing any book, or when I'm like reading anything, right? I'm using this tool on day-to-day basis, right? This is one of the most impactful tool for my work, right? And the name of this tool is basically Notebook LM. Okay. The name of the tool is Notebook LM. Again, is Notebook LM free? It is absolutely for free of cost. Okay. You just have to go to notebookLM.google. Okay. So once you are on Notebook LM, so here you just have to click on Create New. Okay. And once you click on Create New, so what did I do? I just went to notebooklm.google. So Aditya is safe. Someone is asking. So it is absolutely safe. As you can see, it is made by Google. Right? If you trust, already I found this.
ये संडे को सुबह से शुरू होता है
data, right? So you don't have anything to hide from them, right? So it is from Google, so you can absolutely trust it. And here, how you can use Notebook LM, right? So you just have to go to Notebook LM. And once you go there, just create a view.
ये अपन लोग
Just
सालों
click
से
on
नहीं
view.
गए
Okay. So now here, let's say I want to analyze
ओ
Reliance.
मम्मी मैंगो तो इतने सस्ते 70 रुपीस केजी
Let's say I'm analyzing Reliance.
मतलब नहा लो मैंगो
So
में
what
तो
document should I add, folks? Can you tell me?
वाओ
Can you tell me what are the documents should I add in the tool, so that like I'll be able to analyze Reliance company as whole? Annual report, absolutely. Balance sheet, that's correct, right? Annual report, quarterly report, absolutely. All of you, like I think all of you are like more or less.
मम्मी 100 रुपए का 5 किलो
So
अनियन
here,
हाँ
taking one example of how you
शायद पता नहीं बंद हो जो भी हो इतना सस्ता बाप रे
skills that you have, right? I'll be
वो
analyzing
पड़ोसन बोल
Reliance
रही थी ना
stock,
कि वो बोले यहाँ तो इतनी सस्ती सब्जी मिलती है इतनी हरी हरी हाँ ये सब कटहल वटहल कहाँ मिलता है और देखिए मम्मी 100 रुपए का 1 किलो ये जामुन
It's also free of cost, right? So here I'm just searching Reliance Industries, and once I go on Reliance
वो
Industries,
पॉलिथीन दे देगा कार में फेंक डालते जाएंगे उसमें क्या इतनी जगह तो है
so I can just simply download this annual report. Okay, I can simply download this
मैंगो
annual
तो बहुत
report.
ठीक दाम के
And now what I can do, I can simply click
हैं
on
अच्छा
and
आगे है अच्छा ये तो
here
कन्वीनियंस
I can
मार्केट
drag and drop right over here. Okay, everyone clear so far? Everyone clear?
No,
I
मैं
added
भूल गई
one
थी।
annual report, right? Now, similarly, I can add old annual reports as well, right? I can add all the 5-6 annual reports which are published in past 5-6 years, right? So that already I can add, right? Not only that, what I'm going to add, I'm going to add phone calls as well, right? Let's say I want to add conference call of Reliance, so I just click on transcript of the conference call, right? I'll download this. I'll download this, and I will add transcript of this conference call as well, right? So now, do you feel like I have one video of Mota Bhai, right? I have one video of Mota Bhai who like he is speaking about annual general meeting, right? He is speaking about annual general meeting. In the annual general meeting, he is talking about all the future plans of Reliance, what Reliance was able to achieve in 2024. Do you think this video is also relevant for
देखिए
this
वो टमाटर 50 रुपए के 3 किलो बाप रे
Yes.
वो अरे वो दिख रहा है ना स्लेट में लिखा है वो देखिए ये 50 रुपए का 3 किलो भाई पाकिस्तानी देख के तो घबरा जाएंगे ये 50 रुपए का 3 किलो इतना सस्ता
अभी कहाँ 22,000 न्यूज में सुनते हैं।
ये तो 4 किलो दे रहा है ले 50 रुपए का
बहुत सामान महंगा हो
वहाँ तो 200 रुपए किलो 400 किलो हाँ
this particular link वाला ऑप्शन और यहाँ पे YouTube सेलेक्ट करना, राइट? यहाँ पे जस्ट सेलेक्ट द YouTube and यहाँ like right here paste the link, right here paste the link and click on insert and boom.
आपको याद है ना मेरी एक फ्रेंड बनी थी पाकिस्तानी लेडी मैं आपको बताई थी ना उसका हस्बैंड ने बैंक में बहुत सारे गफले किया बहुत सारे केसेस चल रहे हैं उसकी एक बेटी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थी बताई थी मैंने कुछ था इसका जो भी तो अब वो बेचारी हीलिंग से करती जो भी अब हस्बैंड है और उसकी बेटी भी कम नहीं है बहुत कुछ है
So I want to add this, so what I'm going to do, I'll just simply copy the text, okay?
तो कह रहे
I'll
कि
simply copy the text.
हाँ वो कुछ कॉमन हीलिंग ग्रुप में थी
So I'll simply copy the text and I can add this in my research as well. So here I'll be clicking on paste text and here I'll be adding this. I'll click on enter. And similarly, I can add any kind of website I want. I can also add documents as well. Let's say I have a doc which boss sent me. So I'll simply click on Google Doc and here I'll be seeing all the docs, right?
कैसे
So
चला
here
रहा
I
है
have like already one doc of Reliance.
आजकल ना लोग यहाँ के जो लोकल लोग ना बहुत बदतमीजी करने लगे नॉर्थ इंडियन के साथ
Right, so I have added.
मेरे एक पेशेंट ने डाला था
Right, I have added.
एक तो उसने गलत चला के मैं उसकी गाड़ी में ठकरा दिया फिर बोला ये कैसे चला रहे हो करके इसने ऐसा बोला तो बोलता है ये क्या क्या कन्नड़ा में बोल
Or should we
बड़े
add more content? Like if
सब जगह बदमाशी
ये बदमाशी। हाँ, यहाँ पे जब हम लोग घर लेते पर फ्लोर का हम लोग 17 करोड़ टैक्स देते हैं, तो हमारी जगह नहीं है क्या? और ये कौन सा, ये हमारा तुम्हारा क्या, देश सबका है।
Do you want AI to add content for you as well?
ज्यादा बदतमीजी करने लगे।
Do you want AI to add content for you as well? Yes. Yes. पूरा live ही आसान, right? 10 second में research. Right? So here I'm going to click on this discover icon, and here I'll explain, right? I am doing the fundamental analysis.
अरे यहाँ पे कोई जमीन खरीद ले गए, देखो कुछ ना कोई तो लोग बेचेंगे। ये लोग तो बेचेंगे ना घर, जो सिंपल लोग हैं,
Documents.
जो सिंपल यहाँ के लोग हैं। भाई ये लोग बहुत लालची लोग हैं।
अपना अपना लोग ज्यादा पैसा देखेंगे।
Folks,